Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sip Slips and Makeup Tricks. My name is Jeannie. I am so excited. So I do have my Jeffree Star $60. I think this is the deluxe. This is the $60 one. And I do have the $100 one on the way as well. It will either be here tomorrow or Monday. And part of me wanted to wait to do them, the two of them together. But then the other part of me is very impatient and just decided to go ahead and show you what I got in the $60 box. But before I jump in, if you are new here and not subscribed, I am 1 subscriber away from 200 subscribers on my channel. I'm not like some huge YouTuber. I'm obviously not monetized. I'm just an unboxing girl who does lots of unboxes and lots of makeup looks. And you would really melt my heart if you would hit the subscribe button. If you're already here watching my video, it would really mean the world to me. And I do monthly giveaways with huge lots of high-end skincare and makeup products. If you're wondering what my giveaways look like, I will definitely link my June giveaway video where it showcased all of the things that one of my subscribers won. And then you can have a look and you will have a general idea of what my giveaways look like. Of course, it won't be the same exact products, but it will give you a very good idea of what they look like over here on my channel. And they do happen every single month. So without further ado, let's jump on into the Jeffree Star $60 Summer Mystery Box. Now, I do know that I'm definitely going to get a repeat of the Star Ranch palette. So you already know that that is going to go into a giveaway for somebody. And in fact, I'm going to take a few items from both of the boxes, and that is going, one of them is going to be the Star Ranch palette. One of them is going to be a velour lip scrub. And then there will be another item or two, and then maybe possibly another surprise, and that is going to be my 200 subscriber giveaway. So that will be totally separate from my July giveaway, which I already have a ton of products for. But okay, enough about that. Let's just get in. So you open it up, and it's got really pretty pink vibes going on. And the first thing that I'm noticing here is the Z palette. Now, it's still in the package. It's not opened. But this is going to be a magnetized palette where you can store single shadows. So I know that there is single shadows in this box that I have here, and I know that there's also going to be single shadows in the $100 box that I got as well. So I don't think that I'm going to need both of these, so it's possible that one of these will also be in the 200 subscriber giveaway that I will be having. That will be the Jeffree Star giveaway. But this is what it looks like. It's super cute with the pink and then the single shadows magnetized to the back, so you're able to create your own little mini Jeffree Star palette. So that is super cute. And let's just jump on into the single shadows. I got the shade Snack. Now, I will be quite honest, this is my first Jeffree Star mystery box, and I don't own anything outside of what I have right now here from Jeffree Star, so I'm excited to open it up and have a look. This looks like it's a shimmery, pinky, champagne-y orange color. So this, I do like this color. I am excited for this. I do want to pop it out of here and see how it goes into the little palette. So it's in the little pan, little metal pan on the bottom, and then let's open the palette up here. Yeah, cool. So it goes right on there. Okay, sweet. So that is cool. The next shade that I got is in Priceless. Okay, let's look at this shade. So this looks like it's a matte and it's a light nude color. Okay, so that's cool. Might as well open it up and put it into the palette. So yeah, I am really excited to get some Jeffree Star cosmetics in my collection. I have a, whoa. I have a massive collection, but I just don't have any Jeffree Star. So I am really, really pumped to have some of his stuff in my collection. The next shade that I got is Fuck. And it looks to be a matte orange. Wow, that's actually prettier than I thought. Like when I saw it through the packaging, I thought, okay, but that's actually a lot prettier than I thought. It's like a pinky orange, and it is a matte. Let's put her in there. The next thing that I'm going to buy from Jeffree Star is definitely going to be the mini Jawbreaker palette. Or I was actually thinking about, I saw on his website, you can get the Jawbreaker palette bundle where it has the big palette and then the Jawbreaker mini. And I was thinking about getting that and then giving the mini away in one of my giveaways because I do love doing my giveaways, to say thank you to everybody that takes the time to watch my videos, because I am just over here sharing all of the things that I love, but it would be no fun if there was nobody on the other side for me to talk to. So I appreciate you guys that come here and watch my videos and support my channel. So I love doing giveaways. So I think that's what I'm going to do. That's going to be the next thing that I purchase, is going to be the Jawbreaker bundle. It's going to have the big palette and then the mini palette, and the mini palette will go into one of my giveaways. Okay, so moving on, the next product is a velour lip scrub. This is in, what is the shade here? I don't have my glasses on and I can't see, but it looks like it's supposed to be sherbet. Like the writing is so tiny, and I do need glasses for reading, like reader glasses. So I am assuming that this is in sherbet. I know I'm going to be getting another one of these in the other box that I have coming. So I will be keeping one and I will be keeping this one and giving the other one away. Wow, that is really cool. Check that out. This is what the inside looks like. Wow, oh, I wanted to taste it. Yes, it tastes good. That is so cool. The packaging is super cute. I'm really excited for this. Okay, cool. The next item in the box is one of his glosses. It says the gloss. Oh no. Slime glossing. So it's looking like it's going to be green. Eek. So this lip that I have on right now is even a little bit much for me. I do totally nude, glossy, and pink lips, but you're definitely never going to see me with any green lipstick on or anything like that. But luckily, this does look like it's very sheer. There is a green tint to it, but I'm assuming that I could place it over a pink lipstick and you would not even see the green. Let's just give it a try. I mean, yeah. So you don't see any green through my lip color that I have on or anything like that, because I am not somebody that wears funky colors on my lips. I'm, maybe for Halloween or something like that, or like a costume, but definitely not for everyday life would I ever wear a green lipstick or anything like that. But it does feel really nice on the lips, and I think it's sheer enough that I could get away with still definitely using it for like a gloss or whatnot. Like, I'm not going to put this on and my lips are going to be bright green or anything like that. So I could definitely still get away with using it, which makes me really, really happy. There are two more items in this box. This is said to be an exclusive lip balm, a tinted lip balm. It is in the shade Cowboy Kiss. This is what the packaging looks like, and when you pull it out, it looks like a bullet. So it's super, super, super cute packaging, and it says lip balm. Okay, so you open it up, and whoa. So it is a really, really dark brown shade. But since it's a tinted lip balm, it's probably not going to have much color yet, just a wash of color. So I will definitely get use out of this. I will just say that I definitely would not wear, like if this shade was like true to its own color on my lips, it's not something that I would wear. But I will definitely get some use out of this. As you can see, it's a very sheer, and I kind of do want to see what it feels like on the lips. Let's just check it out. It does feel really nice. Okay, cowboy kiss. Okay. It feels really good. Yeah, I'll definitely use that. So when you first open it and look at it, it's scary though. It looks like it's black lipstick. Like that's definitely not my style. But I am super, I'm okay with that. That's cool. And then, yes, we have the Mini Star Ranch palette, which I already know 100% that this palette will also be in the Jeffree Star $100 mystery box that will be here today or no, today, tomorrow or Monday. So you know that one of them will be going into the Jeffree Star giveaway that I will be having. But anyhow, this is what it looks like when you pull it out. It feels really cool. I like that. Feels bougie. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Okay. So let's check it out. Cute. Super cute. This is the color story. Definitely not my typical color story. I do like gold. And I actually love golds and browns, but I like golds and browns and pinks and definitely more girly shades. But it's a cool palette. I'm definitely thrilled to have my first Jeffree Star palette. Yes, I'm happy about that. Do you want me to do some swatches? Let's do some swatches. Let's check out this golden color because I'm dying to see that. Oh, the formula feels really nice. Wow. Okay. Wow. Yes, I like that. That is stunning. Wow. Okay, cool. I got excited there, sorry. That's exciting. Okay, let's check out the green. This is called Star Creek. Wow, like I said, I've never had Jeffree Star before, so I'm unfamiliar with the formula. It feels so nice. Yes, I like that color. That is a pretty, pretty color. Let's see how it doubles. Let's see if we go in twice how it swatches. It is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Wow. That's not what I expected. That's stunning. Wow. Okay. Wow. I like that. I like that color. I'm excited for that. Let's do some more. Let's check out this blue here. This is called Casper Mountain. Wow, I really like this formula. It goes on so smooth. Wow. Those are gorgeous. I'm impressed. I can't wait to play in this palette. And I'm excited to get the Jawbreaker palette. That color story is a little more up my alley than what this one is. But I am freaking impressed. Let's do Old Jeff. This blue color in the corner here. Okay. These colors are not what I expected. They're actually super stunning. Wow, okay. Okay, so that is the $60 Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box. Stay tuned for the $100 one. Unfortunately, I work a double shift at work tomorrow, so even if it does come tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to film it until Sunday. But if it does come tomorrow, then expect a $100 Jeffree Star Mystery Box on Sunday. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. And until then, stay beautiful, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.